I'm Patrick Steele with Coachman Adrenaline. I'm here to do a Coachman quick take on some of your maintenance hookups and tanks on this Coachman Adrenaline toy hauler. On the back side here, you're going to find a spray port. This is your spray port. We do that instead of an outside shower. Gives you a little bit of pressure behind it. Got your freshwater connections. Got your black tank flush. Everybody who's had a unit prior, who's a camper, they know you got to have the black tank flush. Saves you all kinds of time, headaches, frustration. City water fill. Got your cable satellite hookup. Shore power. This is a 30 amp coach. Underneath, you're going to find terminations. Your terminations for the tanks. You have 100 gallons of fresh, 78 gray, 39 black. Your gray tanks are going to be hooked together on one termination, your black tanks on the other. So you simply pull your two termination valves underneath, hook up your hose, you're ready to go. You have this nice gauge right here, which all you do is press these small little buttons. It gives you a nice reading on the side of how much you have in each one of these tanks, whether it be fresh water, wastewater. Gives you the ability to monitor those tank capacities.